Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. So let's just jump right in. So I did pick up this, I had a couple of ones. I just grabbed one, 100 hairstyles for $1. Not that I need any tips out here, but you know, these are great pictures that you can fussy cut and use in your mixed media. So that's what I got these for. Different faces, of course you can paint over them and make them your own. Put some glasses on them, flowers in the hair, birds in the hair, whatever. So I just got that for that. And I'll probably go back and get the other ones too, but that's what you can do with these magazines. And they're cheaper than buying some off the other stands. Take some of the beads. These have been out before and they came back, but they have the gold and the silver and then the multicolored pack of the little pony beads. And of course, most of you guys know you can take these and heat them up in the oven and you can make you enamel dots, as well as use them on your hair, as well as use these in mixed media. And that's what I'm going to use them for, but they're also great to melt those as well. Also these two. These are obviously what it says, picture hanging kits, but you can also use this in mixed media. And that's what I got them for. They actually had some embroidery threads, so they had a 5-pack. I didn't see any other colors, but you have your black and your sort of like a fuchsia kind of color, not quite fuchsia, but kind of fuchsia, your blue, your orange, and your yellow. Yellow. And then I got two more of the hair spirals. These don't have the feathers on them, danglies, but you can use these again in your mixed media. So I got those, or you can use them in your hair, what they're for, or you can stick a pin through them. And then I picked up some of the different material for $1 just to use with my sewing machines to practice with. These are 20 by 21, and so you have these different prints that they have. Nothing necessarily outstanding, you know, gorgeous or anything, but great for making some flowers and different things like that too. So, or some clothes for your stamps, like your Julie Netting stamps and different things like that. So, different things you get your backgrounds and stuff. And then last but not least, they had, it says 7 ounces, 0.7 ounces of jump rings. Doesn't say how many here, but you can tell it's at least over 100 in here for $1. And so of course we always can use jump rings, whether you're a jewelry maker or not. These come in handy, you know, for your dangles and connections and things like that. And this is what I buy, because I used to make jewelry back in the day. That was one of my previous hobbies. And then they also have these lobster claws, and there's only 12 pieces, but you know, it's for $1. So and that's not bad either. So got 12 of those. And then your jump rings. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. Hopefully you can find some of these things at your Dollar Tree. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.